In the wake of a recent Photoshop controversy surrounding the royal family, Prince William and Kate Middleton find themselves once again navigating the delicate balance between public scrutiny and personal privacy. Today, we delve into the aftermath of the Mother's Day mishap and the uncertainty surrounding Prince Louis's upcoming birthday photo. As the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge grapple with the fallout from a manipulated family photo, speculation abounds regarding their approach to future public appearances and photo releases. Amidst ongoing health battles and relentless media attention, William and Kate remain steadfast in their commitment to transparency and authenticity. With Prince Louis's 6th birthday fast approaching, William and Kate face a dilemma: who will capture the moment for the public eye? Sources close to the couple reveal that no firm decision has been made yet, amidst lingering concerns over the aftermath of the recent Photoshop controversy. Despite the frenzy surrounding the manipulated Mother's Day photo, William and Kate remain determined to uphold tradition by sharing photos of their children on special occasions. Recognizing the public's affection for their family, the couple intends to navigate the delicate balance between privacy and public expectation with grace and discretion. In the midst of ongoing health battles and media scrutiny, Kate seeks to bring joy to the public through her photos. Despite recent setbacks, sources close to the Duchess emphasize her genuine intentions and desire to express gratitude to supporters amid challenging times.